channel. This is Sadie here. Today I've created this Hina Khan inspired eye look. Um, if you want to know how I've created this look, please watch the video further and also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye. I'll meet you at the end of the video. Guys, so I've already primed my lids and done my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna take the Maybelline gel eyeliner, black gel eyeliner, and apply it close to my lash line. If you apply it unevenly, that is also fine. We just want a hint of black there. Now I'm gonna take a blending brush and take a burgundy or a wine color in that from my Jaclyn Hill palette. Then I'll blend that black eyeliner with the burgundy shade nicely. It should be nicely blended. Take the burgundy color little by little and then blend it. Here something went in my eyes. Now I'm going to take the black color and just blend it evenly so that no harsh lines are there. Now I'm going to take the same gel eyeliner and apply it near my inner corners. I blend it a little more. As I told you, blending is the key. आप जितना अच्छे से blend करोगे, the more beautiful your eye look will look and the more beautiful it will turn out. So उसको अच्छे से blend करते रहो. It will take a little time, but it will be worth it. Now I'm gonna take the same eyeliner and apply it on my lower lash line. In fact, I'll take a black eyeshadow. I'm just mixing the eyeshadow and the liner both and applying it on my lower lash line, close to my lash line. And with the same brush, I'm just drawing a little wing. Now I'll take the same burgundy shade and mix it with the wing so that the wing also looks blended in it. You can use a kajal instead of gel eyeliner. I'm not gonna do the second eye off camera. Here my second eye is also. So here I'm doing my base quickly. I'm applying the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'll apply it evenly all over my face and also over my neck. Don't forget to apply foundation on your neck. Now I'm blending it with a foundation brush. I'll blend it nicely. Your base should be look nicely blended and flawless. Then I am applying Maybelline Fit Me concealer here. This is a highlighting concealer. A highlighting concealer is 2 shades lighter than your foundation. Then I'm blending it nicely. I've applied it over my forehead, my chin and my bridge of my nose. Now I'm taking my Glam loose powder here and I'll be making my under eyes with it. Sorry for the lighting issues because I was shooting in natural light, तो lighting का problem हो रहा था. Then I'm bronzing up my cheeks. I'll bronze up my cheeks very nicely because Hina Khan has all that chiseled up cheeks, so that's why. I'm dusting off the excess powder nicely. Applying powder, baking with the powder will avoid the foundation and concealer from creasing. Now I will apply blush here. I'm applying less blush because in that photo she didn't apply too much blush. Now I'm taking highlighter here. I'm using the Swiss Beauty Shimmer Brick to highlight the highest points of my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow and my chin. This highlighter is very nice and very blinding. Now I am applying lipstick. She has applied all nude lipstick, so I'm brownish nude lipstick, so I'm also applying a nude lipstick here. I have tried to match the look as much as possible, but inspired look हमेशा same नहीं होता है because she has different features and I have different features. So it's just a inspired look. I'm not trying to look like yeah, that was it for today. How do you like the look? Please let me know in the comment section below, and also I will give the product details in the description below. Also suggest me some new ideas for my next video. Bye.